Here's a step-by-step tutorial for creating a crochet hollow-out bag in an Instagram-inspired style. Hash materials needed: 3mm hollow cotton yarn, 4.2mm crochet hook, 4.0mm or 4.5mm is also fine, stitch markers, sewing needle. Step 1. Start the foundation. 1. Make a slip knot. Begin by making a regular slip knot. 2. Chain 51 stitches. Insert the crochet hook through the slip knot loop. Place the yarn over your pinky and wrap it around your index finger. Make a chain of 51 stitches by placing the hook over the yarn, wrapping it around, and pulling it through the loop to form a V shape. Count the V's to ensure accuracy. Step 2. Crochet the base, first row. 1. Crochet long stitches. Insert the hook into the 48th chain to make the first long stitch. Counts as a 4th stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the 48th stitch. Yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. 2. Continue crocheting long stitches. Crochet long stitches into each of the 51 chain stitches, 1 for each. In the last chain stitch, crochet 3 long stitches to form a curve. Continue crocheting 48 long stitches on the opposite side of the base, mirror side, ensuring no increases or decreases. Step 3. Forming the bottom of the bag. 1. Joining the base. At the last stitch, crochet 3 long stitches, just like in the first side, to create the curve. Continue to crochet along the other side to form the base, joining the stitches as needed. Join with a slip stitch at the stitch marker, pulling tight and making the 3rd stitch. 2. Flip the work, optional. Turn the work inside out if you prefer a cleaner look on the outside. Step 4. Crochet the bag body, small triangles. 1. Start the first triangle. After joining, chain 3 stitches to begin the triangle. In the second chain, crochet a single crochet. In the first chain, crochet a long stitch as demonstrated in step 2. 2. Complete the first triangle. Skip 2 stitches, then crochet a single crochet in the third stitch. 3. Crochet the remaining triangles. Follow the same method to crochet small triangles in the round, ensuring the pattern is consistent. 4. Join the first round. Once the first round of triangles is complete, join it to the first triangle using a slip stitch at the first stitch. Step 5. Continue with the second round of triangles. 1. Join the second round, slip stitch to the top of the last triangle from the first round. Flip the work and continue crocheting the second round of triangles, repeating the same steps from the first round. 2. Complete the second round. Finish the second round and you will be ready to proceed to the next round. Step 6. Crochet the third round and beyond. 1. Start the third round. Slip stitch to the top of the last triangle in the second round. Continue crocheting the third round of triangles using the same pattern. 2. Repeat for 7 sets, 14 rows. Continue crocheting in sets of 2 rows, with one round beginning at the first triangle and the other at the last triangle. Repeat until you've completed 7 sets of 2 rows, 14 rows total. Step 7. Finish the bag body. 1. Complete the final round. Once the final round is crocheted, fasten off the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing the handle. 2. Tidy up the ends. Hide any loose yarn ends by weaving them into the back side of the bag. Step 8. Crochet the strap. 1. Position the stitch markers, identify the middle 2 triangles of the bag body, and mark them as the starting points for the strap. Crochet the strap. Using the stitch markers as guides, begin crocheting small triangles along the strap, following the same pattern as before until the desired strap length is achieved. 3. Finish the strap. Once the strap is long enough, fasten off the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Step 9. Attach the strap and sew the bag. 1. Sew the strap to the bag. Using a sewing needle, attach the strap to the top of the bag at the marked positions. Ensure the connection is secure. If desired, you can add labels or decorations to personalize the bag. 2. Once the strap is attached, and the ends are tucked in, the bag is finished. Step 10. Final touches. You can decorate your bag with labels such as a leather tag or canvas tag to add a personal touch and prevent the bag from looking too plain.